Good morning. It is day 123 of Peter and Doxie sailing from New South Wales to Queensland. And here we are in Gladstone Marina on a sunny and warm morning. Beautiful. So, yeah, just been pottering around. About to go up to the office and settle things there. I think I'm going to be here for a few days. So, yeah, get a few things done, supplies, all sorts of other little jobs, and yeah, have a look around too. Anyway, let's see what we can see. I guess first order of business is this guy. Let's get all this freshened up and we can start again from zero. Yikes. Thought I'd seen enough of them already on this trip. So, a nice modern laundry at Gladstone Marina here, and doesn't require coins. It is digital, so that is fantastic. Let's go and check out the Marina Lounge. Not a bad space, is it? Very nicely done up, very cozy. Even go and play some guitar if you knew how. Oh, bongos, we're going to have a party. So, bit of a kitchen going on. Toaster, kettle, a dishwasher which is well out of order. And yeah, just a nice little space to hang out if you're getting cabin fever from being on your boat, which I'm not. Yeah. Or you can use the thought control machine. And look at the view. So, my little home away from home. Well, no, actually, here's the home. Here's my home. Oh, never mind. Yeah, all snugly in here. Came along here before and it was absolutely full of little fish having a nibble at the bottom. So, bring it on, guys. This is the side I didn't get to do yet. So, anyway. Let's go and get the washing. I'm in G6, so it's nice and close to the shore, where I can go back and get my laundry and various other bits and pieces. So this is just an overview of the marina. Tide's coming in. Those trees were outside of the water before. And here we go, going round. I'm directly in front of the main building, so that's handy. You can see the port in the background. The marina, I believe, belongs to the Port Authority. So, yeah, all works pretty well. And this is the main complex here. Office upstairs. The refresh room or whatever, breakout area, common room, barbecue area here. And the bathroom facilities and laundry. Over in the distance you can see some chandleries and other stuff, so it's all quite handy. And from the office balcony. Alright, put on my walking shoes and let's go and do some investigating. Nice parkland around here. I think some of the university campus, and I might have said that earlier too. Probably did. Anyway. I'm probably repeating those things because I'm sort of giving you a clue that they might be in the test. So, yeah, anyway. Yeah, it's commercial and pleasure craft in here. We saw that car ferry yesterday come in from Quoin Island. It actually starts from over behind there somewhere. I saw it go past this morning. And just towards town a bit. We've got some cafe thing happening here. A couple of shops as well. Just going to go and check out gas. So this is the entrance to the marina channel that I came in yesterday. And where we exercised the right turn yesterday. There's the washer there, ready to be shot out at you if you do something wrong. I'm joking, as always. And our car ferry. Just let's see going into the various little islands. There we go. Stone Point. And Port Curtis. Well, being the Curtis Coast, that makes sense, I guess, doesn't it? So, another lookout, basically, out over the channel. The colour of the water. There's something about ports, isn't it? It turns water always browny colour. Okay, so just looking to the river mouth here. And that walkway over there seems new. I'm pretty sure it wasn't there last time. I think that whole part of the shore was inaccessible. So let's wander over and have a look. And maybe if I feel energetic, up to the lookout. Well, it looks like you picked a fine time. Anyway, we're going on to, well, looks like it could be a drawbridge. With my shaky hands, I'm going to go with photo bridge. And that'll just have to do. And there we have the Gladstone Yacht or Sailing Club. Might get a look in that later. Another one of the car ferries coming in. Various islands. Now, come all this way up here. Not too bad. So it's looking a little bit towards Gladstone CBD, Central Business District for those who are not Australian or New Zealanders. Just looking around the sort of more the industrial areas. The airfield's also over there. And swinging around. And out in the distance is interesting, like I said yesterday. I think it looks like a chimpanzee or a face lying on his back. Yeah, he won't unsee that now. If nobody else has said that, I'm sure they have. Oh, and that of course is the marina. Doxie's in there somewhere. There's some more bougainvillea. Right, further up there, I was on that level before. Just swinging around. I'm getting the breeze on top of the hill now, which is nice. And last year when I came, this was all a work site, like I said, and the closest I got is where that white ute's just going past that blue bit of road. So even though there was nothing happening on the hill, no, you're not allowed in there. I mean, in case it's going to fall on me, right? Beautiful old trees here, which obviously love the breeze, I'm sure. Let's go and see if we can see a bit more of the other side. So we're now looking over on the sea side of the hill, and this is Auckland Creek now. Obviously all the port and industry in front of us that takes precedence over everything. And in the distance facing island, and even over the top of that, you can see little white superstructures of the various ships out in the paddock. So that's where we came in yesterday, along those ships. Just picking up there, that's Coin Island. I think the larger piece there is part of Curtis. I think over there you got Turtle and a couple of others, I can't remember the names of. Picnic, I think. Okay, so now from Auckland Point Lookout. Down the marina there. There's somewhere is home. Swing around now. See, Auckland Creek basically goes down into the Narrows. And the Narrows is basically a long waterway that runs between Curtis Island and the mainland. It is navigable, but very tide dependent. In fact, during shallow times, low tide, they can run cattle across it. So that says something about the tides in Queensland. They're very extreme. And just looking down at the Gladstone, which is preserved here. And this whole coast precinct, actually. I think that's pretty new. Pretty sure it wasn't here last year. Or not completed anyway. We'll go and check it out. Yes, I did go and cool my feet down. And now to keep walking. Yeah, it's a great little picnic spot and all. Entrance to the marina again. And here we've got the HMAS Gladstone. She was built in the 80s and used as a coastal patrol boat, operating mainly out of Cairns. And yeah, it's basically immigration, fisheries, all of that kind of stuff. So she's preserved here today in her namesake city, Gladstone. I'm sure she would have been very fast through the water, very sleek. Yeah. Impressive looking. Let's spot this. Oh, I wonder if they sell ice cream. I think I'm ready for that. It is warm, but pleasantly here because of the breeze. Well, that's where I was before. Now I'm going to find my way to the centre of town, which hopefully won't involve too many more hill climbing sessions. Oh, here we are in Gladstone downtown, Main Street. I'm sure they call this the Gladdy. Now, as I said, when they built this town, they did it right on a ridge, so you can see inland that way, and you can see the sea that way. And let me tell you, the breeze coming up here is beautiful. I can see why they did it. Well, here I am at the end of a day, and yeah, it's been a great day actually. Walked around, my foot sore. Just had some drinks with a nice lady from Gladstone here, and waiting for my steak. So yeah, life is good, and yeah, I'm feeling my legs less. Shiraz helps. Just rub Shiraz in from the inside, and I've found that is a great healer. Anyway, thank you for following along, and yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Actually, yeah, go ahead, comment. It's okay. Like and share. This is Dawn Raider, out.